Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to make a shape somewhat close to this, and they're doing it. They watch one of my videos and they're doing it off the DIstort tool, which is pretty cool, but they're drawing in a line and then they're going to the DIstort tool and get the zipper tool, and you want an odd amount of graphic or nodes, I guess, because you want them to be the same on both ends. If you look, both ends are going up. So you can make it as deep as whatever you want to do. Let me zoom in here a little bit. Get back to the DIstort and then add a little more depth to it. And then go right here to smooth, and it'll smooth it out. And then what they're doing, they're Control D'ing and duplicating it and then mirroring it. And then that's pretty cool in itself. And then they're nudging that down. Well, it'd have to be a percentage of the length. So we look right here, and this is kind of deceiving, but it's 20 inches. So let's make our nudge factor on 20. Grab it, make the plus key, and then if you notice, these are going out and these are going in, so we need to mirror it the other way. But then they're taking everything and Control D'ing and rotating it 90 degrees. Well, it doesn't fit. So they start moving it from what I'm gathering, and they move this one to there, and they move this one to here, and then they move this one to here. Well, you could still have some lakes. Let's put a rectangle around it, smart fill it, and it doesn't leak. But it doesn't, you can't really tell what it's going to look like. So, and maybe they didn't realize, and I don't know that I did a while back, I'm going to just draw a rectangle, but I'm going to convert it to a curve. And then I'm going to get my DIstort tool, and I'm going to add nodes, and if you look, it's adding them all the way around. And then add your depth. Well, add your depth. And see, we have an odd amount. If you have an odd amount or an even amount, you're going to get that. So you need to make it an odd amount so they're even. And then you could go a little bit deeper and then go right here to smooth distortion, and you get that shape, and it's all touching, and it won't leak because it was a square to begin with. Anyway, I hope that helped you a little bit. And thank you for watching.